UCS, User Coordinate System. If you go to Home tab, here it is Coordinate System. This is User Coordinate System. Same thing, if you go to Visualize, you will get it the same tool here also. I go to the Home. User Coordinate System means this is our user coordinate system. X-axis, Y-axis and Z-axis. This is 3D, so you will get it here Z-axis also. You can control this user coordinate system using these tools. If you click here, you can hide UCS icon, or you can show UCS icon, or sometime it is here this situation. I just placed somewhere else. Just placed somewhere else here. If you need it in original position, you can use this show UCS icon at origin. So now it is coming to origin. So like that you can make UCS icon using these tools. The next one, UCS icon properties. If you click here, you will get it the properties of UCS icon. First one, 2D. How you need to look in 2D, you can see this one, and that sizes you can adjust here using these tools. This is 3D, and what is the line width, and uses icon size, and how it's need to look in model space and layout space. So these are all the things you can control the properties here. The next one, it is UCS, User Coordinate System Manager. Just click here and you can manage the coordinate system, first point and the second point and the third point. So you fixed origin, X direction, Y direction, Z direction automatically fixed. Using this tool, you can fix your user coordinate system wherever you want. I just click here and I click the first point, second point and the third point. So it is placed here. Now you can create your sketches in this plane. Now you can see exactly in this plane I can create that sketch. Next one, it is UCS, named UCS. See here, I made this user coordinate system, this shape not available by default. So what I made this one, we can save that one. I just click here. This is unnamed view. Double click this one. I just make it my UCS. And click OK. Now my UCS is ready. I just go to world, so it will come to the normal position. If I need it again, I just click here and my UCS, you will get it here again. And this is world. World means if you made any changes in UCS, you need default UCS means you can just click this world, you will get it the default UCS, X direction, Y direction, Z direction. Now if I go to the circle and if I create the circle, it will get it in X and Y plane. See here, it is in X and Y plane. The next one, you can see here X, Y, Z. These three, according to this any of this one, you can rotate your UCS. I just show you example. I just click this one and I place it here. Now I select here first option, rotate along with x-axis. See here in this picture, the red color axis, it is x-axis. Depends on that axis, we can rotate x and z coordinates. I just click here. Now you can see here x is here, but y and z is here. Now I am going to rotate this UCS. I just select this option. Now you can see you can rotate freely. So which direction you want, you can place it. Now this is fixed and these two axes rotate. Before rotating, you have to check this one switch on or switch off. If it is switch off, you can freely rotate. Otherwise, you can rotate each 90 degree only. The next option, Y. This one around the y-axis. See here, the green color axis in this picture, the green color axis, it is y-axis. Around the y-axis, you can rotate x and z direction. I just select this one. Now you can see y direction is fixed. Y direction is fixed. Around the y direction, you can rotate other two direction. The green color one is y direction. So now I just click anywhere, I just click here. Okay, now I click here, you can see other two changed what I made the point. The next one, I just make that one to world and I click and I place it here. Now I am going to rotate around z direction. I just select this one, you can see here. Now the z direction is fixed. Another two direction you can rotate like this using these tools. So if you want to rotate any coordinates with these three conditions, you can use this tool. The next one, if you made any changes in UCS, you can use UCS previous, same like undo. If you click here, it will go back to one step. Okay, so this is UCS previous, normally always using this one. The next one is origin. You can fix this UCS origin wherever you want. Select this one, wherever you want, you can fix the origin. Select this one and you can fix it. Next one, Z vector. Using this one, you can place it wherever you want. At the same time, you can decide which is your Z direction. Just click this one. This point I am going to place it UCS and I just click here. Now Z direction I can select. The next one, this is 3 point. Mostly people using these options. You can select using 3 points, you can place it your UCS. I just click this one, first point and the next point and the next point. Now it is placed. X and Y, the plane is here. X and Y, where it is, that plane only you can create your sketch. See here, we made the sketch in exactly X and Y plane. Now this one view, you can, now you can see X and Y, it is here, but you can change the X and Y to your screen. Okay, how your screen is, you kept how your screen exactly parallel to that screen, you can fix X and Y. For that I just select this one. See here, now it is like this, but if I select this one, Now this one changed to like this. See here, X like this, Y like this vertical, and Z is coming exactly perpendicular to this one. So now if you made any sketch, and you can see it is exactly parallel to your screen, but this is different and this is different. Okay. Now I just go to the previous. This is the previous one. It is like this, so you can make like the sketches, and if you select parallel to screen, you can make like these sketches. The next option, you can select any object, any 2D object you can select, and you can make your UCS parallel to that one. Okay, I just select this option and I select this is my sketch, and now you can see your plane is created exactly parallel to that object. Now you can make your sketch here. Now you can see exactly what we made the sketch, it is parallel to this sketch. The next option, wonderful option, that is face. You can make your UCS parallel to your selected face. I just select this option and I select this face and simply enter. Now it is placed here. You can see X and Y, it is placed here. Now you can make your drafting work here. Okay, you can make your modeling in this plane. So very easily you can place your UCS using these all the tools. I just select again this one face. I select this face and simply enter. Now it is placed here. Now I can make the sketch here. It is parallel to exactly that plane. Now we finished this all the options, and if you go here you can see lot of options unnamed view, because we fixed here it is like this, that's why it is showing unnamed view. If I click this one, it will change to world. Using these all the options also you can make your UCS. Normally these all the things always you can use, but when you use this one you just check this view cube. That is very important. See here, here it is front. If I need to make any object, any work in the front plane, you can just click here, you can select this front. Now you can see here X and Y, it is changed to the front. Now I just go to the circle, and if I made a circle, see here exactly that circle is made, it is parallel to this plane. Exactly it is made in that plane. Okay, it is exactly made in that plane. So now I just need to select, I selected this front plane, I just select this southeast again. Now this is the right side. Okay, means if you need to make any sketch in this plane, you can use a right side also. I just select this right side. Now you can see it is right side. Now if you made any sketch, means you will get it in this right direction. This is right direction. Okay, now I just, you can select like that any options. Now you can use top. See here, top means X and Y, it is changed like this. Now I going to make a circle. See here it is coming in the top plane. So like that you can make easily. I just delete all the sketches. And next one, it is bottom also same, but the Z direction only will change like this. And next one is left means you will get its X and Y, it is like this, you can make the sketches like this. And the next one, right also a little bit changes will happen, front and back. And this my UCS we made previously, so if I select this one, this UCS we made and saved that unnamed view. So we made as a named view this one, so you can get it, and you can now just you can, if you made any sketches, you will get it in that plane. So this is the way you create and you can use UCS for creating a 3D model. This is very important. When you create a 3D model or when you make dimension in 3D model, UCS is very important.